Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your DasherDirect account. Watch the video till the end. To log into your DasherDirect account, firstly open your DasherDirect application. The official page of DasherDirect will appear on the screen. Click on Have an Account, Login. On the next page, enter email address and password associated with your DasherDirect account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. If you want your email to be remembered next time you log in or enable biometrics, swipe the button to the right side. After entering your email and password, click on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your DasherDirect account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.